Rosacea is a common yet often misunderstood skin condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It causes redness, irritation, and visible blood vessels, usually on the face. While treatments can be expensive and require visits to the dermatologist, nature offers some simple, effective solutions right from your own home. In this video, we'll explore the best home remedies for rosacea, using everyday ingredients you likely already have in your pantry. Rosacea can be frustrating and difficult to manage, but the good news is there are natural treatments that can calm your skin, reduce inflammation, and restore balance. Many of these remedies are inexpensive, easy to prepare, and gentle enough for daily use. Let's dive into the top home remedies that can make a real difference. First up is green tea, a well-known natural remedy with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies have shown that the polyphenols in green tea can help reduce redness and irritation associated with rosacea. Whether you drink it or apply it directly to the skin, green tea is a powerful ally. How to use: brew a cup of green tea and allow it to cool. Apply it gently to the affected areas with a cotton pad, or use it as a soothing facial spray. Why it works: the antioxidants in green tea reduce inflammation and promote healing. It's a great option to calm redness and soothe irritated skin. Next is apple cider vinegar, a versatile ingredient found in most kitchens. It's well known for its ability to balance the skin's pH levels and has natural astringent properties that help tighten pores and reduce redness. How to use: mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water. Apply the mixture to your skin using a cotton ball or pad as a toner after cleansing. Why it works: apple cider vinegar contains malic and acetic acid, which have mild exfoliating and anti-inflammatory effects, making it ideal for soothing rosacea flare-ups. Another powerful remedy is oatmeal, which has been used for centuries for its soothing properties. Oats help calm itching, irritation, and redness, making them an ideal choice for rosacea-prone skin. How to use: blend 2 tablespoons of oats with water to create a smooth paste. Apply the paste to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Why it works: oats are naturally anti-inflammatory and provide moisture to the skin, reducing irritation and redness. They're also gentle enough for daily use. Raw honey is not only a delicious sweetener, but also a potent natural remedy with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It helps soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and promote healing. How to use: apply a thin layer of raw honey directly to the affected areas, leaving it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Why it works: honey is naturally antimicrobial, which helps fight any bacterial components of rosacea. It also moisturizes and helps restore the skin's natural barrier. Aloe vera is another fantastic remedy for rosacea. The gel inside the aloe plant has hydrating, healing, and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the burning or stinging sensations often associated with rosacea. How to use: extract fresh aloe vera gel from the plant and apply it to the skin as a calming mask. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse with cool water. Why it works: aloe vera contains polysaccharides that stimulate the skin's healing process, helping to reduce redness and irritation caused by rosacea flare-ups. Another great natural remedy is cucumber, a cooling and hydrating ingredient that works wonders for irritated skin. Its high water content helps reduce puffiness and calm inflammation. How to use: slice cucumber and place the slices on your face for 10 to 15 minutes, or blend it into a paste and apply it as a mask. Why it works: cucumber contains silica, which helps to hydrate and restore skin, while also offering a refreshing, cooling effect to reduce rosacea symptoms. Lastly, chamomile isn't just for calming your mind, it's also great for calming your skin. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, chamomile can help soothe rosacea flare-ups and reduce redness. How to use: steep chamomile tea bags in hot water, then let them cool. Apply the cool tea bags to the skin for 10-15 minutes as a compress. Why it works: chamomile is rich in bisabolol, a compound that has been shown to reduce inflammation and promote skin healing. There you have it, 7 natural, at-home remedies for soothing rosacea. Whether you're dealing with redness, irritation, or inflammation, these simple treatments can help calm your skin and restore balance. They're cost-effective, easy to prepare, and gentle enough for everyday use. Final tip, always patch test any remedy on a small area of your skin before applying it to larger areas to ensure no irritation occurs. With these home remedies, you don't have to spend a fortune on expensive treatments. Instead, you can turn to nature for gentle, effective solutions that work. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and natural remedies. Take care of your skin and remember, healthy skin starts from within.